Hi, I'm Charlie. This is Charlie's teaching train. All aboard! Today we're going to be redoing the Coke and Mentos video. Like any good scientist, we need to do the experiment again to make sure our conclusion is valid. Snap and we'll get the materials over. Here they are. Let's unbox them. Here we go. I have Mentos in my right hand. I got Mentos Gum in my left. Let's start this experiment. Here we go.
Interesting.
It's going still. How is this happening? How? Let's see what's happening. After reviewing the footage, Mentos Gum won again. But I'm also pointing out that this one has more soda in it. This one has less soda in it, which means in this one more soda came out than in this one. So stay tuned for the finale.